Hey folks, I'm Gokul Padmanabhan from Restoration Brokers of America. Each week I talk to owners from across the country who have questions of how to prepare and sell their restoration business. And I bring you those questions and some best practices with over 300 transactions in the restoration space. So the question I want to answer today, what is the number one mistake that owners make in selling their business? And the answer to that is very simple. They hold on to their business too long. You see, every business has different stages, whether it's a restoration business or whether it's GE or any business in the world will always have a startup phase, and over time, it will start to grow, where you're getting into the growth phase. And then at some point, usually about 8 to 10 years of an owner owning the business, it will start to plateau. Right? And then at some point, whether after between 10 to 12 years, that business, if you're not motivated and you're not retooling yourself to kind of get it to the next level, it's going to decline. So it never stays in the plateau forever. And that is the number one mistake that we see. So 5% of the folks that are calling us are selling their business when it's going up. And that's when you're getting the most valuation for your money, right? Buyers will pay a lot of money for a growing business. Then when it starts to plateau, 15% of owners are selling when the business is plateaued. Hey, I've been running this the same for the last 4 to 5 years. I want out, right? And that's okay. You're still going to get really, really good offers. And at some point, when the business starts to go down, 80% of the owners that are calling us are holding on to the business until this stage. And they're saying, hey, I'm so burnt out, my business is declining, can you help me sell it? And it's too late. It's an unsellable business at that point, right? So that is the number one mistake. If you're thinking of exiting your business, if you're growing and it's the best time to sell the business. If it's plateauing, so sales have been kind of constant the last 4 or 5 years, profits have been constant, it's time to get out. All right, don't wait till the business starts to decline, and don't be part of that 80%. Thanks for watching. Click the link below, check out what we do. I'm happy to connect.